In the business report, the global launch for the 10th biennial Jamaica Diaspora Conference will take place on Thursday, April 4, beginning at 10 a.m. at the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade in Kingston. Persons can view the event, which will be streamed live on the ministry's website and on the Jamaica Information YouTube channel. The 4-day event will take place at the Montego Bay Convention Center in St. James from June 16 to June 19 under the theme United for Jamaica's Transformation, Fostering Peace, Productivity and Youth Empowerment. It will be the first in-person conference since the COVID-19 pandemic. Supreme Ventures Limited, for the 12 months ended December 31, 2023, reported a 2% decrease in total gaming income from $50.77 billion in 2022 to $49.90 billion in 2023. Revenue from non-fixed odd wagering games, horse racing and pin codes increased 2% to $30.01 billion compared to a 2022 performance of $29.47 billion. Income from fixed odd wagering games, net prizes decreased 7% to $19.90 billion compared to 2022 performance of $21.30 billion. That said, profit attributable to shareholders for the 12 months decreased 20% to $2.42 billion compared to the 2022 performance of $3.04 billion. Denise Williams will now give us an update on trading and other market movements.
During trading on April 2, 2024, the top 3 advancing stocks covered the health, auto, distribution and finance sectors on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. G West Corporation Limited shares advanced 25.74% for a 26-cent price increase to close at $1.27 with 47,858 shares traded. Jetcon Corporation Limited shares advanced 12.79% for an 11-cent price increase to close at 97 cents with 514 shares traded. Epley Limited shares advanced 12.26% for a $4.25 price increase to close at $38.91 with 472 shares traded. On the declining stocks that traders experienced on April 2, 2024, the top 3 losers covered the finance and air conditioning distribution sectors. Cygnus Real Estate Finance US dollar shares declined by 18.45% for a 2-cent decline to close at US 9 cents with 40,852 shares traded. Cygnus Credit Investments Limited US dollar shares also declined by 18.37% for a US 2-cent price drop to close at US 7 cents with 62,162 shares traded. CAC 2000 Limited declined by 15.11% for a 68-cent shaving price to close at $3.82 with 1,200 shares traded. Over on the Twin Island Republic of Trinidad and Tobago Stock Exchange trading on April 2, 2024 registered a volume of 367,516 shares crossing the floor of the exchange, valued at Trinidad and Tobago $1,590,451.30. JMMB Group Limited was the volume leader, with 173,981 shares changing hands for a value of TT $262,719.41, followed by Grace Kennedy Limited with a volume of 120,000 shares being traded for TT $488,919. Calypso Macro Index Fund was the only active security on the mutual fund market, posting a volume of 5,000 shares valued at TT $113,028.95. Moving from the money moves of investors, executives, and companies, we turn to the Forex market. On March 28, 2024, the Bank of Jamaica reported that US $29.6 million was bought from Forex traders, while US $35.3 million was sold to Forex traders. Buying directly from the Bank of Jamaica, foreign currency traders sold the US dollar for $154.97 and bought the US dollar for $152.93. The difference between the buy and sell rate was $2.04, which represents a profit for Forex traders for every US dollar traded. Canadian Forex traders earned a trading profit of $5.20 from transactions with the Bank of Jamaica. The Canadian dollar was sold at $115.81 and bought for $110.61. For traders looking at the British pound, they pocketed a profit of $4.85, selling it for $196.42 and buying it for $191.57. For our credit report tip of the day, if you face challenges borrowing to meet everyday needs in a low-wage scenario, we have another suggestion. Focus on your debt repayment planning. Strategically address outstanding debts by developing a repayment plan tailored to your specific financial situation. Prioritize paying off accounts in collections or those with the highest impact on your credit score. As you chip away at your debt, your credit report will reflect positive changes, bolstering your overall score. And with that, we wrap up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams.